This is an old retro recipe. I'm Tess, and today I'm making an old and all-time favorite of our family, taco salad. Stay tuned. I've made this Dorito taco salad many times over the years. It is easy, lots of great flavor, and feeds a hungry crowd. We just love it. I'm starting by making my taco meat, and it's real simple. I have about a pound of ground beef that I'm browning and chopping until no longer pink. I'm draining off any fat. This is a packet of our favorite taco seasoning, and you can use the brand that you like or even add your own spices. I'm adding in a little water, bringing this up to a simmer and cooking until the water is absorbed. Once done, I'm letting this cool to room temperature and refrigerating until I'm ready. This is a great make-ahead salad. You can make the taco meat ahead of time, prep your vegetables, and just assemble the taco salad when you're ready to serve. And it's time to make this taco salad. The recipe below is for 1 full head of chopped lettuce, but I'm only making half today. So I'm adding in half of all the ingredients. In a large bowl I have the chopped lettuce, and I'm adding in some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, chopped tomatoes, rinsed and drained kidney beans, or you can use pinto beans, a little finely chopped onion, and you can use garden onions. We like black olives. And I'm adding in half of the cooled taco meat. Now the fun part. I'm lightly crushing some nacho cheese Doritos. I've also spiced it up with some spicy Doritos and even used Frito corn chips for this recipe. For the dressing, I'm using a Catalina salad dressing, pouring that over the top and giving everything a good toss. You can adjust the recipe to what you have on hand. You can add bell peppers or corn or leave out what you don't like. I love the taco spices, and paired with the crispy lettuce and crunchy Doritos, this taco salad just tastes good and is satisfying. The Dorito taco salad is a great potluck summer salad. You can make the taco meat ahead of time and even freeze it until you need it. A budget meal that is a good way to get the kids to eat their vegetables. I hope you give this retro Dorito taco salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!